I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta fit.
Sure na to. Let's go.
Chel. Archel.
Kami guys sa Puerto Princesa. First time ni April sumakay ng aeroplano.
Yes, first time.
So, dinala natin siya dito. So, welcome to Puerto Princesa.
One eternity later.
Yung ano lang sa inyo ma'am, sa in lang sa inyo no? Tapos bukas, yung tour namin, pupunta na lang kami. Okay po. Pagsabayan po, magkano yung ano, pamasahe po, pabayan niya? Medyo malapit lang po. Natahimik pa. Chicken na tayo guys. Chicken muna tayo tapos pahinga. Lahat-lahat tayo. So ito yung ina na napasukan namin guys. Sige po. Oh, guys.
Someone comes into your life so unexpectedly. Sometimes someone turns to be the one that gives you everything, just like you did. Took me by surprise, made me complete. You changed my life, made me believe in real love. And now my heart beats, it beats for you. Since you came into my life, I never felt like so in love and so excited, cause you're so right. Now I'll never leaving you, leaving your side, cause you're mine. Mine.
Welcome to Enmedo, Palawan.
Now I'll never leaving you, leaving your side, cause you're mine. And takes your heart so suddenly. Sometimes someone just becomes a part of you so easily, just like you did. Took me by surprise, made me complete. You changed my life, made me believe in real love. And now my heart beats, it beats for you. Since you came into my life, I never felt like so in love and so excited, cause you're so right. Now I'll never leaving you, leaving your side, cause you're mine. Mine, mine, mine. Now I'll never leaving you, leaving your side, cause you're mine. Since you came into my life, I never felt like so in love and so excited, cause you're so right. Now I'll never leaving you, leaving your side.
It's today. Sir, ito yung boat natin, sir. Sisuro na po kami ngayon. Kami naglalakbay na po. Pa-island natin. Let's go! Okay, so mami sir, yun nga po. So sabi kayo po sabi ng Jeremy. So may tips lang po ako regarding sa tour natin. Okay po ba? Last, please makinig. Alright, so by the way mami sir, so hindi nyo po masyado kami kilala. So magpapakilala po kami. So by the way po, so my name is Kuya Nad. Kuya Jeremy naman po to my partner. So kami po yung magiging tour guide po today. And also to our boat captain, so Captain GR. Yes, so man of the day, meron po tayo Tagaluto. So, Reynan at saka si Louie po. Okay po, yun po yung mga chef natin. Okay, so kaya po, yung itinerary natin ngayon. So, Torrey po, so we have a compost 5 destination po rin po tayo. Kasama po doon, 7 Commando Beach, Big Lagoon, Secret Lagoon, Shimizu Island, and also Intalula Island. So, we have a 5 stop po tayo ngayon. But yung first stop natin, so we are going first at the Big Lagoon po. So, yun nga po yung activity in Big Lagoon. So, mami sir, so same po tayo na kahapon. Okay, kayakin po doon. So, kayak po na sa ipa't right po. Now po, yung kayak, so hindi po package po sa tour natin. Okay po ba? So yun po, gusto nyo po mag-rent, may makakilala po agad daw sa Big Lagoon. Okay po ba? Now po, yung nga po, so for the beginner po sa El Nido or first time po sa El Nido, so we have a rules po na dapat sundin. Okay? Rule number 1, so bawal magtapon. Rule number 2, bawal mangulik ng mga part na marine life. Yung nga po, dead cells, sand, bawal po yan. Okay po ba? So nga po, so pwede tayo mag-picture sa front, just only 2 person. So ganun din po sa likod, just only 2 person sa likod. Okay po? Food allergy po bago po may ask po sa chef natin. Okay po, sir. Food allergy. Wala po. Wala po food allergy. Sir? Wala na po, no? So nga po, so first stop natin sa part ng Mililok Island. So approximately po, so 30 minutes po. Okay po everyone, so thank you so much. Good morning, so welcome.
Just like you did, took me by surprise, made me complete. You changed my life, made me believe in real love. And now my heart beats, it beats for you. Since you came into my life, I never felt like so in love and so excited, cause you're so right. Now I'll never leaving you, leaving your side, cause you're mine. Now I'm never leaving you, leaving your side, cause you're mine.
First destination. Okay, so welcome po sa Big Lagoon. Part ng Mililok Island po. Or po yung activity po natin dito. So meron po tayong picture taking, kayaking po. And also sightseeing po inside the lagoon. So yun nga po kami sir. So yung presyuhan po ng kayak dito just only for rent po. Yung pandalawahan is 300. Good for 3 person, 350 po. For 3 person. 2 person, 300.
Sometimes someone comes into your life so unexpectedly. Sometimes someone turns to be the one.
So hi guys, andito na kami sa, saan to kuya? Secret Lagoon? Secret Lagoon. So medyo punuan yung pagpasok. Sobrang haba ng pila kaya hindi na muna kayo pumasok kasi limited na yung oras namin dito. So baka sa pagpila pa lang, tapos na. So ginusto na lang namin, dito na lang kami tumambay. Dito na kami tumambay sa tabi para masilip yung ganda ng paligid. Hindi na kayo pumasok sa loob ng cave. So si Kuya, hey Kuya, kamusta? Ayan, nandun yung entrance and exit ng Secret Lagoon. So, hindi na kayo pumasok. Dito na kami sa mga gilid-gilid. So, ayan. Yung mga gilid na guys. So, maulan kaya hindi tayo gano'ng makapag-vlog.
So, ma'am sir, sa mga gusto po mag-snorkeling, pang-prepare nyo na po yung life jacket, tapos yung mga goggles nyo, saka YouTube.
YouTube live.
Life jacket kayo, tapos mga mask nyo ha. So, dito po, kailangan nyo uploading lang kayo, kaya mga apos oras ha. Kasi kung oras ng sira, matalo pa kayo yan. Kasi kayo hindi pa yan. Kaya uploading lang kayo. Tapos kayo mga 2 to 3 minutes mga alam.
Huwag kalimutan ko nila.
Saka don't forget to breathe ha. Ito pala yung place na to, ito yung likod ng Shimizu Island. Shimizu statue. Kasi maraming statue dito sa atin. Hindi.
Yung Shimizu Island naman po, ito yung pinangalan sa Japanese woman po ay naman ay dito. So, kasi po meron isang underwater tunnel po sa likod ng island. So, doon po yun. So, may tunnel po siya. And for the souvenir po na parang family po, so kasi doon siya namatay, so alaala, so pinangalan na po sa kanya yung island ito. Diver po siya, mami sir.
Yes, yun siya ng resort. Yung kabilang island po, wala pa pangalan.
Tunnel. Underwater tunnel po. Natrap po siya sa loob ng tunnel. Kasi po yung tunnel na yon, underwater po siya, so marami pong exit. Tsaka yung mga entrance po na malulusutan. Tapos sobrang dami, lumabo na po yung daan. Yun na po yung sabi na kinamatay nila.
Sometimes someone comes into your life so unexpectedly. Sometimes someone turns to be the one that gives you everything, just like you did. Took me by surprise, made me complete.
Hi guys, dito na kami ngayon sa Intalula. For destination, nag-aantay na lang kami ng aming lunch. Prepare na lang ating mga bangkero.
Oo nga yung chismis. Nagalan yung mga tour guide talaga kayo.
Ulang! Kunti lang ito! Kunti lang! Ilang pera na nagdara? May isa?
Mamaya kain na.
Now I'm never leaving you, leaving your side, 'cause you're mine.
Later.
Nga po yung 7 Commander Beach Provincer, so hindi po to island, diba? So ito po yung accommodation or mga hotel po sa likod ng island po ito. So it means, so mainland po siya nasa dito, diba? So yung activity mo natin dito, mayroon po tayong picture taking, swimming, nga po, at mayroon din po tayong mga games dito. So for the last time, so dito rin po tayo magtatagal, tatawagin na lang po namin kayo kung pauwi na po tayo. Alright everyone? So yung boat po pala natin ngayon, so hindi po mag-stop over dito. So mayroon pong parking area po sila. So may parking dito. Yun lang po, so yun lang po. Then bili po kayo, dala po kayo mga person mga importante. Okay, about sa mga hindi naman na importante, so stay na lang po natin sa boat natin. Diba?
Yun yung mga ganang dali na.
Hey guys, last tour. 7 Commando. Dito tagal kami dito ng stay. Pag bumalik ng actually mainland din dito. Nasa kabila yung pantalan nila. Ikot-ikot tayo mamaya. Let's go.
Since you came into my life, I never felt like so in love and so excited, 'cause you're so right. Now I'm never leaving you, leaving your side, 'cause you're mine. Sometimes someone comes into your life so unexpectedly. Sometimes someone turns to be the one that gives you everything, just like you did. Took me by surprise, made me complete. You changed my life, made me believe in real love. And now my heart beats, it beats for you. Since you came into my life, I've never felt